today I'll be introducing one of our new models that we came out with. It's called Knee, and let's get right into it. So this is the Knee model. It comes with everything. The base and the ichi comes with mechanically. So we'll first kind of start with that. When we get these, we put a lift, so it has an 1.5 inches in the rear with new Moog HD coils. The front, we put a new torsion key in and raise it up 2.5 inches. And then we put Bilstein 5100 shocks and new tires. So these tires are 285 75 16, aka 33 inch General Grabber ATX. And this is a good tire that we use. We also use Falcon, Cooper, and then depending on what our clients want, we can get most tire brands. Also included with this is the new LED fog light, as you can see below there. And we also do a full tune-up, spark plugs and wires, and a fuel filter, air cleaner, and also change all the fluids. So the front and rear diff, transfer case, do it engine oil, and change out and do a tranny service. So it's all ready to go for adventuring. And I'll get right into, let's do a quick walk around here. So there's the tires. There's kind of a tread you can expect from an all-terrain. We do our badging on the side. This is the hatch model of Suburban. There's the model, Knee, and then the number. It's number 45. If you notice up top, the roof setup. So the Knee model has a solar panel, 100-watt Renogy Solar Panel, 8-gallon gravity-fed solar shower, and a basket rack. It does not have the rooftop fan. That is found in the Son model that we'll go over later. But it does include electrical. So we reupholstered this seat. That's included in the service. Put WeatherTech mats, along with, we replaced the carpet with the rubber throughout the vehicle. This has the Dometic CFX 28, which is a great fridge. And this is connected to the auxiliary battery in the back. This particular model, Suburban has 179,000. That's very typical with our models, or with our Suburbans and our vehicles in general. You can range from 150 to 200K is where we like to keep it. And depending on mileage, the price will differ. So I'll open the back hatch here. Sorry about the train. Unavoidable. So there is the platform, the bed platform. Has a full-size mattress on top that's been trimmed down just a little bit. And then here's the pull-out drawer. Both sides pull out, same length, and they're a nice addition. And this mattress can fold up like that also. So, good place to cook, etc. And then this one we left the headliner stock. So there's no shiplap and there's no cubbies on the side. It does include window coverings for all the windows, and then a curtain in the front. So this back hatch, the side windows, those are held on by magnets for the rear ones. And I'll do a separate video on how those work. So there's the rear of the vehicle. The platform is a little over 6 foot to right here, and about 5'10", 511 to the back of the seat. And so this seat can be folded down to get more storage. So here's the electrical box. On the outside here's a surge where you can plug in a bunch of different items, and you turn it on by flipping on that remote switch for the inverter, which turns that on, so you never have to get back into the inverter, which is behind this wooden box. That's where the fridge is plugged in right there, and then this is some USBs. And inside, so here's a simple simple electrical setup. There's the charge controllers, a Voyager by Renogy, fuse box below it. That is a battery isolator by Wirthco. It's called the Battery Doctor. These are awesome because they're automatic and they separate the auxiliary battery from the main battery. And you can also jump yourself from this battery in case the main battery dies. And this is a Renogy 100 amp hour AGM battery. So this concludes the tour of our new model we came out with, the knee. Quick overview, this model includes the electrical, but it does not include the wood shiplap ceiling, the side cubbies, the fantastic fan, but it does have, the solar panel, the battery, the fridge, so it's definitely a good option for a lot of people. This is $11,900 for this model. To put that in perspective, our base model is $6,900, and we call it base. It has all the mechanical that was listed here, but no interior done. And then we also have a model called the Ichi, which has all the woodwork, so ceiling, side cubbies, and that one's at $10,900. This one's at $11,900. And then we also do the next model up called the Son, and it is at $14,900. It has woodwork and electrical, so everything included. So, if you guys are interested, comment. You can find our website, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And hope you guys have a good day.